Good morning from Dumaguete City, the Philippines. I recently got asked what's the best way or the best method or best product to clean your fingerboard. And that's a good question. It's a good question with guitars in general. I don't like using most commercial products. They have chemicals. They're just not good for the wood. Fingerboards are often ebony or rosewood. Acoustic guitar fingerboards generally are unfinished. It's bare wood. Many electric guitar finishes, many guitar fingerboards, if they're electric, are finished. Anyway, what I used in the United States was a chemical called naphtha, petroleum-based. I haven't been able to find it here in Dumaguete City. If anybody knows where you can actually get real naphtha, let me know. But what people do here is lighter fluid. Lighter fluid in the old days was naphtha-based. Some lighter fluids today are not. They're butane or other chemicals, so you have to find the right lighter fluid. I happen to know that the Fuji brand, very popular in the Philippines, is naphtha. And the first time I got it and I opened it up and I put some on, I smelled it. That's naphtha, absolutely. Why do I say naphtha? It is petroleum-based. It does a very good job of very lightly cleaning either bare wood or finished wood. So I use it as a general cleaner for fingerprints, dust, environmental particulates that have landed on the guitar. It does an excellent job of a very basic cleaning. It does not damage either bare wood or finished wood. It's just the easiest thing that you can do to put on wood. You can also actually use a very lightly damped soft cotton cloth. Because again, naphtha really is the best thing that I can use. Now, it is petroleum based. Therefore, you don't want to smoke around it. You don't want to light matches around it. It is flammable. So be careful about that. The other thing that people ask is, especially about fingerboards, is about many of the fingerboard products that are out there that are supposed to be lemon oil. Now, first of all, it's debatable how much lemon most of these products have, but even if they do, here's the one that I use. I'm using as my stand the current neck that I'm making. There's a fingerboard there. But this will give you an idea how much or how little I use. This is I don't even know if this product's available anymore. It's Guitar Honey. I've had this bottle for at least 20 years, and I got about half left. That's about how much lemon oil you should use. So usually I might hit a fingerboard with the Guitar Honey once a year. This is not something you want to regularly do on your fingerboard, but sometimes if your fingerboard has dried out, a treatment like this is an okay thing. But again, less is more when cleaning guitars. I would stick with naphtha and a soft, clean cloth. And if you do that regularly, the fingerprints will not be there, and your fingerboard, or really the entire guitar, will be the cleanest you can get it without damaging it.